Hello dear friends, if you have already retired from your job, then you can share a beautiful retiring moment of your life, and Facebook has given a very specific way to share this. So to know the step-by-step process, just stick to the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So after opening your Facebook profile, just click here, what's on your mind. Now scroll down a little bit. Now select the last second option, live event, and now from this option select the first option, work. Now select the last option, retirement. To add effects, just click on photos and videos option here. For example, I'm selecting this one, and now after selecting your picture, click on down in the top right corner. And if you want to write a little bit description about your job, how many years you have provided your service to this job, you can write it too. Just click on say something about this, and then write whatever you want to write. And after writing everything, just click on this next button at the top right corner. And as soon as you click on this post button at the top right corner, this post will be shared to the public. That's it. So this is how you can share a retired post on Facebook. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.